How to earn from YouTube, your step-by-step guide. Step 1. Ad revenue. Join the YouTube Partner Program after reaching 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year to earn through ads. Step 2. Channel memberships. Offer monthly memberships granting subscribers exclusive perks and special content. Step 3. Super Chat and stickers. During live streams, let viewers pay to highlight messages with Super Chat and Super Stickers. Step 4. Merchandising. Sell branded merchandise or use platforms like Teespring to monetize your channel brand. Step 5. Sponsored content. Partner with brands for sponsored videos or product placements to monetize your channel. Step 6. Affiliate marketing. Promote products with affiliate links in your video descriptions to earn sales commissions. Step 7. Crowdfunding. Receive ongoing support from fans using platforms like Patreon by offering exclusive content. Consistently create content, engage your audience, and market smartly to maximize your earnings on YouTube. Start your journey today and turn your passion for creating videos into a thriving income source on YouTube.